What's poppin'? Welcome back to my YouTube videos. Today we are back with another cooking tutorial instead of one of those weird non-cooking videos, which there's gonna be more of them. This is not an only cooking YouTube channel. But anyway, today I'll be showing you how to make a very interesting thing. That very interesting thing is...
shit.
Okay, kind of like a tuna bagel thing, fried tuna bagel thing that I have often and enjoy very much, so let's get into it. What you will need for this recipe is one of these, one of these, one of these, and one of these. Also one of these. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, wash your hands so that they're not nasty. And then you're going to take this thing right here, and you're going to, ow! Oh! Not do that, and you're just going to empty out all the juices.
All the oils. You're going to open this thing a little bit more, and then you're going to press down just to squeeze all of them. Nice oils out. Love that sound. I love that sound so much. This game's horrible. Alright, now that it's nicely compressed, just a couple extra squeezes. Rinse this thing, and we're going to recycle it because we are woke on this channel.
Open this. And take out a healthy scoop. A little bit more than that. I like mine wet. Take this, and just dump it in there. That was a fail. Now that you did that, you're just gonna mix this.
Mix this nice and mixed.
Now that it's at this sound, you can take this here ingredient, called dillweed in case you didn't know, and you are going to bathe this mixture. Add a lot. Or you cannot add a lot. I like to add a lot. That seems like enough. You're gonna mix that in. Now that you did that, you're going to light your stove, because I have an old stove where we have to do this. Take some of your butter, because we love butter on this channel. You should know that by now. Cut out a healthy amount. Put that in there. Alright, now that that butter is melted, we're going to take some of our mixture and plop it in there. After a while, you're going to want to flip it. Now that it is nice and browned, you're going to take a plate and this thing, scoop it up. It's not completely solid, but oh well. And just gonna put it on here.
Thank you. So, right now it kind of looks like vomit.
Yes, chef.
Ugh. Why is it so soft? I don't think you cooked it properly. Okay, so it's very soggy.
well, chef?
Starting with pros. I do like how it turns a little bit sour in your mouth with the pickle dill pickle flavoring.
Yes.
It's quite tastes good.
Okay.
Tastes better than it looks.